we need the new filter and a Phillips screwdriver. First of all, pop the bonnet. To change the air filter, you need to open the air box. You got 2 screws on the side here. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. That's one of them. Second one. For the ease, we can unplug that. The best way is to push it further on and then pull the bottom tab to release the lock, and then it's gonna just slide off. Now you lift it, and because it's slid in here, lift and pull to the side of the car and it's gonna pop out. You can move it slightly to the side and you got the access to the filter. Pop it out and inspect. Actually, it's not too bad. Seen a lot worse. Now compare it with the new one that you got. Ooh, nice and clean. What I like to do, write down the mileage and the date of when it was replaced last. And don't forget to clean up what's in the airbox. It's quite clean. Let me just get the hoover clean. You just put the new filter in. Make sure it's seated properly all around, because in other case it might get damaged, or it will be really difficult to put the cover back on. Right, that's in. Let's slide them in. So let's push it down a bit and it pops in. The back one's still to do. So you put this end in. Once it's all tight, plug back this plug till it clicks, and jobs are good in. It's all finished.